Jaceland Adventures. I'm going to check on the first tank of water from my spring box that I built. We're going to go the back way. I installed a bridge of rock to cross to get to the spring. Much easier. Let's go in the back of the property, take a little stroll out to the spring. Once I get there, I'm going to take that tank out, replace it with this guy. I've got these 15-gallon tanks. I believe it fills up faster than 15 gallons in a day, but that's all I need right now. About 15 gallons a day. That's plenty. Actually, it's more than enough. I don't think I got through 15 gallons. But the main thing is I just want to make sure it's clean water, looks good. And usable water as well. Not just clean, but usable water. Pretty day. Field looks nice. We're ready to come back to that bridge. See if we can find it. Here. Looking good over here. One of these days I'll get this spring pond dam fixed. We'll have a nice spring pond. Let's see, here's the bucket. Tank. There's the spring bucket that I installed. I got it running out this hose all the way down to this guy. Let's see what we got here. See, it's just barely dripping. It has a little bit more in it. This tank is pretty much full. You can touch the water, so it's pretty full. Might even be leaking over. But I'll pull this tank out. I'll grab that other tank, put it in here, let it fill up, and there we go. Spring-fed water off the property. And that's it.